What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to set up a Gmail account. All you'll need to do is to go over to google.com and this is what you find. At the top right corner you can see Gmail amongst other options. If you don't see it, you can click on the Google Apps icon right here and you'll see Gmail. Click on it and on this page you have the option to create an account. If you'd like to do it for work, you could go ahead and choose that, but we can click on create account and you choose for my personal use or for my work or business. You can go ahead and choose which you want, but we're going to go with personal use. Now right here you can see create a Google account and this is what you want. You're going to put your first name and your last name and this is optional. Then we're going to click next. Then here you're going to put in your basic information such as your birthday and gender. Then of course here you have the options that have been suggested to you, or of course you could go ahead and create your own custom Gmail address. Click on create your own address and then put in your address which you might prefer. Of course the next steps to follow are pretty easy and we don't want to create more accounts because we have enough, but these are the steps to follow if you'd like to set up a Gmail account.